Most people think power is about winning arguments, but in the highest rooms of global strategy, it's not about winning the argument, it's about incentive architecture. Take the American political system. Broken, deadlocked. Campaign finance reform has been impossible for decades. Why? Because of a game theory trap called the prisoner's dilemma. If one party stops taking dark money and the other party keeps it, now the honest party loses the election. So both parties keep taking the money even though they hate the system. Until Warren Buffett proposed a strategic poison pill. Imagine an eccentric billionaire puts $1 billion on the table. He says if the campaign finance reform bill fails, I will donate that entire $1 billion in soft money to the party that casts the most votes in favor of it. If the bill dies, the party that tried to pass it gets the massive payout. Now look at the board from the perspective of a politician. You're a Republican, you hate the bill, you want it to die, but you know that the Democrats are going to vote yes to try to get that billion. If you vote no and the bill fails, the Democrats get that $1 billion. They wipe you out in the next election. So you have only one logical move now. You have to outvote them. You must cast more yes votes than the Democrats just to make sure you get the $1 billion if it fails. But here's the beauty of the trap. If every politician is desperately voting yes to protect the party, the bill passes. Buffett didn't even try to change their morals. He designed a game where their greed forced them to do the right thing. Don't play the game they give you. Design the payoff so that even your opponent's smartest move produces the outcome that you want.